Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over a new program that's in pre-launch right now. It's called Level Up 24/7, right? And I'm going to be going over the compensation plan right now in this video. Okay, so the different product packages, and it has unlimited income potential. Right now, there is a one-time activation fee of $30 for the lifetime setup of your marketing system and back office. And then I'm going to be going over that as well later on in the video. You're going to really like what they have to offer. Very powerful system, right? And then the package itself is the Level Up 24/7 system. It's going to be $39.95 per month, and that's a business volume of 40 BV. All right, and then there's three. It's going to be three streams of income as well. So three powerful ways to earn with Level Up. It's going to be the first one is going to be the fast start bonus, right? And number two is going to be the accelerated binary. And the third one, it's going to be the Level Up bonuses as well, right? So we're going to go over the first one right now, the fast start bonus, right? Level Up 24/7 customers become influencers by referring one customer or IR IR on the you will receive a fast start bonus paid out on the first order of your customer. Subsequent orders are paid out in the accelerated binary. This is paid weekly, right? Now number two, the accelerated binary commissions. Level Up's accelerated binary is the fastest plan to earn unlimited income. This tremendously lucrative compensation plan does not require multiple additional bonuses that you may or may not receive. Instead, it infuses your business with immediate cash flow for the greatest potential of reaching your goals. All right, and here's the plan. So this is you, and then the other good thing about this program, it builds out one binary leg for you, all right, which is either side, left or right. But you have to build out your other leg on your for getting personally enrolled people in your other leg. All right. Now this is $10 per cycle and 40 BV as well. Right, and get qualified personally by being active and using our products at 40 BV or referring a minimum of 160 BV of product to active customers per month. Right. Now the third one is the Level Up bonuses. We believe that you should be able to stairway yourself to success. This means that we give you attainable goals to achieve the success. Rank up and earn an additional $5 bonus for all new Level Up 240 system orders in Tier 2 and Tier 3 depending on rank. This additional bonus and paid on all 4 orders in Tier 2 and Tier 3 in your enrollee tree. Right, and here's the chart right here. Customer, well, this is going to be the rank. The customer's 40 BV has ordered the level 24/7 up or 24/7 tools, which is pretty easy to obtain. Level Up influencer maintains personally qualified BV and has personally referred one customer. All right, and the Level Up Pro maintains BB and has personally sponsored 10 customers or IRs. Level Up Ambassador maintains personal BV and has personally sponsored 20 customers or IRs. All right, and that is the compensation plan. Now I'm going to go over my back office real quick, and here is my back office. As you can see, I have a built out binary leg on my left side. Once you become a member, right? Now I'm gonna go over to my left side, and Here's the people I personally enrolled. Now, if you go down the list or go down the leg, here's all the people, and that's going to become very lucrative once I lock in my spot. Okay, and that's very important. And then they have a landing page builder. Now for this, it's in pre-launch. It hasn't been loaded in the system yet, but this is going to be very powerful too, in the fact that you could use it for any business. Now this is big, any business. So if you have another platform you want to promote, you could just do that, and it has a flyer designer. It has a my website addresses. So this is the company one, but you want to stand out. You want to build your own landing page. All right. Now it is still free during the pre-launch. Now, if you want to lock in your position, go ahead and for free, go ahead and click on the link below. All right. Thank you.